Alright guys, so I'm doing a new flavor of this Daiya gluten-free vegan pizza. So I was at the local grocery store and they had this new flavor out. I tried them all except this one. This is brand new. As you can see, it says new. And it is basically a plant-based chicken. And this is the cool part. Barbecue plant-based chicken flavored. So it's like a fire roasted barbecue flavored pizza, which is, I've never tried it, so try it out. So, alright, here we go. Super excited to try this. So there's the nutrient file. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There are the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And yeah, let's open this up. I'm actually going to cook in the air fryer, so be right back. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So you can see the chicken there. Actually, it looks like chicken, so looks pretty cool that way. I'm going to cook it. I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so I broke off a piece of the pizza there. As you guys can see, we'll do a quick taste test. There it is. It has a nice barbecue sauce aroma to it. There it is. Yeah, the barbecue sauce has a sweet, tangy flavor. Let's try a piece of the chicken. So it doesn't have the texture of chicken, but it has a. Let's try it again. It's kind of like a crisp. It's like a crisp. So there it is. Yeah, it tastes like a crisp. Like like a puffed up, like a puffed chip. That's basically what it tastes like. So you don't get the striations of like chicken meat. So, but it does taste like a puffed sort of crisp. So, all right, guys, see more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.